Welcome to the Veganlicious kitchen. If this is your first time here, don't let it be your last time here, and you do that by subscribing to my channel. Hit the red subscribe button and you'll be notified when I post a new video, okay? So today in the Veganlicious kitchen, I am making a sushi bowl, okay? Simple and delicious. So let's grab the ingredients and let's get it started. Konnichiwa. Okay, here we go. Here's the ingredients to make your sushi bowl. So I'm gonna pan down so you can see. So we have, I'm gonna use these seaweed sheets. We're gonna use avocado. We're gonna use a cucumber that I've already started peeling, cucumber. We're gonna put some ginger in there, pickled ginger. We're gonna use some nori for curry and some kelp, okay? So that's all, simple, but it's gonna taste delicious. So let's get started by peeling our cucumber, which I already started the process. So you peel your cucumber. Simple, simple. Okay, so we cut up the cucumber. I'm eating it. Cucumber or flat. You want to add that to it. As well. So, take the avocado. I hope this avocado is good, because it doesn't feel so firm anymore. It might be bad. Yeah, this one is no good. No, that one is not. Let's hope this one is good. Cut it. Okay, that one's good. So you're gonna cut it. Still in here. You're dicing it, and you grab a spoon, and you scoop it out. Okay, so we diced up the cucumbers, and we diced up the avocado. So now I'm gonna add some kelp in here to give it like flavor. If you like, fish with your sushi, then we're gonna add the nori. Add the nori in. That's seaweed with, sesame seeds and stuff. That one is all gone, so let's use this one. Okay. And we can add our soy sauce on. Then we're going to add some ginger in here. Some pickled ginger. And there you have it. That's your sushi bowl. Okay, I took some sheets and crumbled them on top of here, on top of the salad. And then it's done. There's your sushi bowl. Okay, so let's go ahead and taste it. I'm gonna come up so you can see me eat. Let me grab a fork and grow. Okay. Mix it up as best as you can. I should have did a bigger bowl, so I'm gonna try to grab a few of the ingredients.
Let's give praise to the man upstairs. Without him, there's no us. Here we go. Put the head down. Bow, there it is.
Delicious. Want some? Give it a try. You'll definitely be happy with how it came out. This is definitely delicious. It's a high alkaline bowl. Your avocado, your cucumber, and your sea vegetables, which is seaweed. So definitely give this recipe a try. So let me tell you something real quick about Instacart. Instacart is a great company if you can't get out there and make it to the supermarket yourself. But sometimes their employees do not put in the effort to make sure they're picking the fresh vegetables. You know, vegetables that are ripe, vegetables that's not bruised and beat up. So, if you don't have time to make it to the supermarket yourself, okay, use them. But don't let them pick out the vegetables for you. You're going to have to do that yourself, or you're not going to get the best vegetables. So I just wanted to give you that little side note, okay? But let's continue to the show. So thanks for watching the Veganlicious channel, and make sure you come back and see me. And like I told you at the top of the show, in order to come back and see me, I'm going to need you to subscribe. So you'll be automatically notified when I post a new recipe up here, okay? Now, go down to the description box. The description box, I always get tongue-tied by that. And there's information on how to purchase my Veganlicious ebook. And if you're not interested in buying my ebook, you can always leave me a tip or buy me a matcha. All that information is there for you to do so. The link to my book and my Cash App. So, thanks for watching, and enjoy your day. But don't just enjoy your day. You already know. Enjoy life. Konnichiwa.